Hi everybody, welcome to NTV Next Tries Vlogging, and for this video we are going to be doing an unboxing first impressions ng budol ko guys for the 11/11. Actually, hindi pa naman 11/11 pero medyo alam mo yun, birthday ko naman, so regalo sa sarili, parang ganun yung peg. Anyway, as well as the eyeliner ng Antuts, which is probably up right now. So, please, daan kayo, anood kayo. And, ito yung pinakamalaking nagastos ko for this month. Kasi mas malaki pa yata to. Yeah, mas malaki pa to kaysa dun sa detail lipstick set na worth 1,000. Like, worth 2,000 something yun, no? Oh my God, mas mahal pa yun. Mas mahal pa yung lipstick kesa dito. Anyway, this is for this month. Ito yung pinakamalaki kong purchase for this month. And I got a ring light. So mukhang, ewan ko, tinopak ako one night, tapos pinakita si husband, pinakita si Peachy, and I think itutuloy-tuloy ko na itong pag-video kasi kumuha po ako ng ring light. Ito yung laman niya, and I bought this sa... Ayan siya. And yes, kita niyo naman yung face comparison versus the back. So, I bought this sa isang Shopee shop. I will be posting the picture of the shop here. I bought it for around 1,600 something. And then, wala siyang kasamang stand. So, I got a stand. I got this light stand for around 200 something. Tama ba? Basta, it's around 200 something. The total is 1,900. Sama shipping, which costs 200 pesos. So, minus yung mga Shopee coins, minus yung free shipping na hanggang 40 pesos lang yung kayang ibigay sa akin. So, wala. Bale, basically, minus 70 pesos yung na-minus ko sa shipping. Ito na, buksan natin yung laman ng bag. This is a ring light that is around 45 centimeters? 17 inches? Mas malakas sa ruler. Ito siya. Ayan So, ito yung ring light. Oh my God, hindi siya kasya dun sa camera. Ayan. So, ito yung ring light. And this has stuff on the back here. I got the on and off button. I have my USB thing here, which would probably mean na pwede kong i-powerbank. And dito yung voltage. And meron tayong temperature, color temperature here. So I could do this on a warm setting, on a very cool setting. Yeah. So we also have this. This is yung guys, ang gaan nung ring light. Pero tinest ko siya kanina, ang lakas niya. Papakita ko sa inyo maya in a while. So, ito yung kanyang saksakan. Ayan. AC adapter. And it also has these three thingamajigs dito for putting in the phone. Meron siyang tatlong ganito. Yung kanyang tatlong lalagyan ng cellphone, saksakan ng cellphone. Kung pa-portrait man kayo or pa-landscape for your TikTok videos, for your YouTube videos, ayan siya. Meron na siyang lalagyan. Yeah, it is bendable. It's a bendable thing. So, tatlo nun, times 3. Ano pa ba ito? Wala na siyang laman. Naghahanap pa ako. So, this does not come with any light stand. So, ayan. Ito yung sa lights. Yung light stand. And I'm kind of hoping na okay yung light stand na nakuha ko from the same shop para doon. Like, sana gagana siya. So, ito yung light stand na kinuha ko. Which is very similar sa light stand na ginagamit ko for my LED bar lights na nakuha ko sa Apex. Anyway, yan. naka-unlock na siya. Tapos, ito. So, ayan. Test na muna natin yung light mismo. As is na kahit nahawak ko siya. Anyway, test na natin. So, lalagay ko na siya dito sa kanyang DC adapter. Dito na siya. And, plug it in. Let's test. Bale, this is the on and off thing, and it's actually dimmable. So, ayan siya. This is the pinaka-lowest na setting. This is the highest. And then, there's also the color temperature. So, pwede natin siyang gawin very warm. Ayan. So, ito yung maximum niya. So, I'm gonna show it to you guys again, pero the other way around naman. Ayan. So, kumbaga, ito yung ring light. Ginawakan ko na lang muna siya for now kasi natamad ako mag-setup talaga. So, ayan siya. Oh my God! Ang ganda! Ano lang to ha? Naka-minimal lang siya.
Patay ko yun, no?
Sige, patayin mo yung, yung bar lights ko. So, this is the full effect without my normal bar LED lights. Ito lang, yung ring light lang siya. Lakas mo, ganda ng Okay, so ito yung maximum setting niya. Sakit sa mata, shucks! And ito yung, ayan, mag-iiba yung kanyang warm color temperature. This is the warmest. This one. And this is the highest. So, ayan. Okay. May ilaw naman talaga ako, pero as you guys could see dun sa videos ko, dahil sa kagustuhan ko na ipakita yung totoong skin tone ko habang nagsiswatch, medyo nahihirapan ako na yung matinurin pati yung likod. Kasi kapag naka-full talaga yung ilaw, masyado akong maputi. Hindi yan talaga yun. So, ayun, would I say that it's worth it? Maybe. Yeah, it's definitely worth it. Pwede siya pang hula hoop. Charot. Pero I swear, like, worth it siya for the price of 1,600. I could see stuff like this sa photoshops, yung mga kung saan nagpapadevelop ng mga pictures. I could see that priced at around 2,000, no? 2,000 plus. Yung nakita ko sa Robinson's Galleria. So, definitely sulit. Awa ng Diyos, dumating siya, well-packaged. Ang dami kong bubble wrap ngayon. Nandito sa gilid. And maayos naman yung itsura niya. Mukha namang walang na-UP and everything. I just used the standard shipping. So, if you guys are interested to get your own, bora na kayo sa Shopee. Sakto, mag-11-11 na. Isa to sa mga magandang wishlist for the up-and-coming na vloggers na, or mga kagaya ko na nangangarap. Nangangarap lang na, gumawa ng mga videos. I mean, I just really like to create videos. So, and pictures. Mostly pictures. Dahil kayo sa vlog ko, tsaka sa Instagram ko, dami kong picture doon. Hindi picture ko, like picture ng mga subjects. I guess that's it. So far, this is a great buy for me. I would probably be doing another, kasi testing lang to for now. I'd be doing a full review if you guys want to see it with full-on experience, maybe in around 3-4 months, ganun, or maybe in a year, kung talagang nagtagal siya sa akin. So, ayun, thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing of this big-ass ring light. To more videos, to more vlogs, and to more beauty videos, please comment down below if you guys are interested or kung ano yung i-haul nyo ngayong Shopee 11/11. And please do check out all of my socials over here. Subscribe na rin kayo, and if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will be having giveaways and more stuff dito sa channel na to, as well as my socials. Like, I will probably be announcing my birthday giveaways sa Facebook and Instagram in a couple of days. What else? Yeah. I hope you guys like my shenanigans and to more shenanigans, cosplays, and more vlogs in the future. Bye!